Get a better job. You could earn a median wage of $27 per hour and up to $44 an hour in building design, AutoCAD drafting, construction management, and engineering technology. At Brighton College, financial aid advisors are available to guide you through different funding options so you can focus on building your skills and network. You'll also receive high-level computer-aided design training from our industry-experienced instructors and specialize in software such as AutoCAD, Civil 3D, Autodesk Inventor, and Revit. Gain real-world experience through our Practicum Placement, where you'll learn to apply your skills from our programs at an engineering firm. Join a free seminar to learn more about job market trends, local industry demand, career pathways, and required skills to enter the workforce. Make an informed decision about your future and reserve your seat today by calling or texting 604-256-6108 or visiting brightoncollege.com/seminar.